taking the train from Kandy to Ella, there are no rules. Last time, we flew to Kandy, hiked up Pitarangala Rock, and explored the Dambulla Cave Temple. On our last morning in Kandy, we explored Kiri Mahuta Lake in the heart of the city, which was built by the king in 1807. The lake is surrounded by a wall of cloud-like stones. We circled the lake on foot and picked up a local street food breakfast of egg roti.
We're at the train station in Kandy and we're about to take a train to Ella through the mountains. It should last about 6 hours. It's supposed to be one of the most beautiful trains in the world.
The railway system in Sri Lanka was initially built by the British in 1864 to transport tea and coffee from the hill country to Colombo for international trade. Gaining 3,000 feet in elevation, the scenery got more and more beautiful as we approached Ella, a small backpacker town on the southern edge of Sri Lanka's hill country.
We're on the train to Ella now. It's a little bit rainy, but they've opened up the doors so we can just sit out or lean out and film the tea plantations as we roll by.
We just finished our 6-hour train ride from Kandy to Ella, and here's our view.
I want pumpkin curry, coconut sambal, and boiled pumpkin with coconut.
Far out! You just asked me how much for my beads. You like them? 6 samosas.
That's too cheap.
I feel like Chance the Rapper in this outfit.
You are him.
Far out! Visit faroutexpat.com for more travel ideas and trip itineraries.